Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Coinbase two-factor authentication for asset safety. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up two-factor authentication on Coinbase, start by logging into your Coinbase account. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you are logged in, navigate to the settings page by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the menu that appears, select Settings. Now, look for the Security tab within the Settings page. Click on the Security tab to view your security options. Find the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Click the Get Started button to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to choose your preferred method of two-factor authentication. Coinbase offers options, such as using an authentication app or receiving text messages. Using an authentication app is generally more secure. If you choose an authentication app, download one like Google Authenticator or Authy from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, return to your Coinbase page. Select the option to use an authentication app. You will see a QR code displayed on your screen. Open the authentication app on your mobile device. Use the app to scan the QR code. After scanning, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter the code from the app back into the Coinbase setup page. Click on the Verify button. If the code is correct, you'll see a confirmation message indicating that two-factor authentication is now enabled. Next, you should back up your recovery codes. These codes are essential if you ever lose access to your authentication app. Coinbase will provide a list of backup codes. Make sure to write these down and store them in a safe place. Finally, log out of your account and then log back in. During the login process, you will now be prompted to enter the code from your authentication app. Input the code to successfully access your account. Congratulations, you have successfully set up two-factor authentication on Coinbase for enhanced asset safety. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.